Getting over him, I got no rules, I count 'em.
Hey guys, it's Bree. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I got this eyeshadow look. This is look number 4 in my 10 looks using one palette series using the Subculture palette. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and don't forget to subscribe. And if you want to see how I got this eyeshadow look, just keep watching. Okay guys, so I'm doing look number 4 in this series. I just got back from vacation and I feel super off like sitting down filming because it has been forever. So since it is basically fall time, I decorated for fall yesterday and I'm really excited about it. I am going to do a dark, I think I'm going to highlight All Star, that really pretty maroon shade. So my brows are on and my eyes are primed and set. I did set them this time to see if that helps with the blending a little bit more. I'm just trying to figure out the best way to make these shadows work because they are a little more difficult to work with. Also, so many of my brushes are dirty from going on vacation. I need to wash them today. I need to wash and put away everything. I'm going to start out with this Beach Cosmetics number 7 brush, and I'm going to go in with Dawn. One has a lot of kickback. I'm going to lay that down as a transition shade. Next, on that same brush, I'm picking up Roxy, which also has a lot of kickback. I'm going to work that more into the crease. Oh, I really like that color. I really like that color. It is so pretty. Then I'm going to take this Morphe M441, picking up Rockstar, and really tapping my brush off. I'm going to start working that into the outer corner, slightly going in to the crease. This eye is watering like crazy, so if it looks a little funky, that's why. Then I'm going to take a clean fluffy brush. This is a Wet n Wild blending brush, and I'm just going to blend that out. Up that brush I was blending out with, I'm having a lot of trouble with this shade, so I'm going to pick up a little bit of Dawn and try to blend out those edges. So on this Wet n Wild, I'm not really sure what kind of brush it is. It's just like a flat, fluffy brush. I'm going to pick up Rowdy, but I'm just going to keep that really close to the lash line. So this eye look is looking a little rough. I don't know what it is today. I'm just not living for it. I think I'm going to take Adorn on a packing brush, a clean one if I can find one. I guess I'm going to take this tiny one because I can't find a medium one. So I'm going to take Adorn and I'm going to spray that with a setting spray and pack that all over the inner part of the lid. I'm going to take that brush with the purple on it, the Adorn I think is what it's called. No, All Star. And I'm just going to fluff that over the edges to blend. Okay guys, so this is not my best look. I think it looks pretty on my viewfinder. It looks a lot more patchy than it does in person. But this is what it looks like. So I'm gonna go do the rest of my makeup and I will be right back to finish up the eyes. Okay guys, so I just finished up doing my makeup. I filmed a chit chat get ready with me, so that one will be up next, but I'm just gonna finish up my eyes really quickly. I'm gonna be pretty simple with this. I'm gonna smoke out All Star on the lower lash line. Then taking this Morphe M432, I'm gonna take Rowdy. I'm gonna push that right up next to the lower lash line. Taking this Morphe E17 and just blending that out. I'm just going to pop on this Urban Decay Glide On pencil in 0. And then popping on some mascara. This is the Loreal Voluminous Original. Okay, since there isn't really a highlight shade in here, I'm going to take the highlighter I used on my face, which is Mary Luminizer by The Balm. And I am going to take that and highlight the inner corner and under my brow. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. This is look number 4 in this series. The shades were a lot more difficult to work with. All Star was really hard to blend out, and still it's like not very blended right here. On this eye it does look a little bit better, but man, that was a little bit rougher than the other go-arounds. So I don't know if setting my eyes first really worked. Definitely All Star and Rowdy, these really deeper shades, were really hard to work with. So I'm not really sure. I think the eye look turned out. I think it is really pretty. I do still really like this eyeshadow palette. I love the colors. I think if you can work with them, then go for it. But it definitely is harder to work with than a lot of my other shadows that I do have. Like I said, I did film this face makeup. It was a chit chat get ready with me, kind of talking about vacation and just a little bit of a life update. So if you want to see that, it will be coming up next. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you like it and you're excited for 10 looks using one palette series. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. I post 3 videos every week. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you on my next video.
Getting over him. I got no rules, I count 'em.